Brothers and sisters in the Lord, good morning and a blessed Sunday to everyone. Nakasuway na mo tabok og isla. Ako nakasuway ko during my seminary formation. I was assigned to Carnasa Island there in Daan Bantayan. And the boat ride will take you 3 to 4 hours of sail. Ilabi na kung dagko ang balod, dugay gyud kang maabot. Kaingon ko mura mo sa ning syudad. No? Nga dugay kayo taas. One time, together with other seminarians, walay bagyo, pero dagko gyud kaayong balod. That was my first time to experience such big waves in my entire life. Og nakaingon ko at that time, dili naman siguro gyud ko mapari ani. Mo to nga ampo dayon ko. Lord, papari asay in town ko. Ug salamat sa Ginoo. No, napari gyud in town. Bitaw, grabe to kadagkog balo dito sa kuan ay. Suway niya mog adto sa kuan Islas Carnasa. Aron maka-experience mo. My dear friends, that is exactly what happens when we are in the middle of a storm. We panic, we lose focus, and sometimes we even question our calling. But today's gospel reminds us when the waves are strong, don't focus on the waves. Instead, direct your eyes on the Lord. Because the one who walks on the water is also the one who can carry us through the storm. Mo ni ang problema tungod kay when we are afraid, our mind becomes creative. Pananglitan. Ang usa ka problema tungod sa ka-creative sa imong nahuna, ang usa ka problema mahimong pila. Mahimong pulo ka problema. Tinuod ang gamay nga problema mahimong dako. One mistake becomes a failure. One difficult situation becomes everything is wrong. Sometimes, my dear friends, the storm outside is real, tinuod, but within us, fear can make the storm bigger. That is why today's gospel gives us these lessons. First, recognize Jesus. Ilho nato ang presensya sa Ginoo. Second, once we recognize Jesus, direct your eyes on Him. I-focus, kung makaila na kas Ginoo, i-focus dayon ang imong mga mata ngadto niya. And third, teach your mind the truth about Jesus. Tudlue or korehie ang imong unahuna sa insakto ug maayo. First, recognize Jesus. The disciples were in the boat when they saw Jesus walking on the water, but they did not recognize Him immediately. They were afraid and thought that He was a ghost. Naana ang Ginoo, pero ang ilang pag-ilang niya murag ungo. Why? Because doubt and fear come first and prevented them from recognizing Him. In other words, fear makes them blind. Ang kahadlok nakapabuta nila. The same is true in our life. Jesus is already present in our lives. Pero tungod sa worry, disappointments, kakapoy, and fear nato, we immediately say, Lord, asa ka? Natulog ka? Di ba na may kanta nga, natutulog ba ang Diyos? No? Kay mo man atong tan-aw sa Ginoo, sige lang katog. Nakita ra ba'y sige katog? Tinuod Yeah? Tinuod na eh. Perhaps Jesus already there. Wala lang yun mabantay. Jesus could be present through a person who helps you or sa usa ka higala nga naminaw o nagdasig kanunay nimo. Or even in a family member nga who keeps on loving you bisag unsa ka kabadlungon. And even in our problem that teach you to be strong, trustful, and be patient. Mao ni ang pangutana. Do I recognize today the Lord even in the middle of my life storm? Naamantay tagsa-tagsa nga mga storm sa kinabuhi. But the question is, do I recognize Jesus? Because remember, my dear friends, if your sea of life is difficult, don't forget that your lifeguard walks on water. Usbo nako ha? If your sea of life is difficult, don't forget that your lifeguard walks on water. Second, direct your eyes on the Lord, not on the load. Peter steps out of the boat og nilakaw siya padulong sa Ginoo. Nakalakaw tuod, pero sa makadiyot ra. But when he looks at the wind and the waves, he becomes afraid, then begins to sink. Unsay nausab? Ang kusog nga hangin, ang bagyo, wala mausab. But Peter changed his focus. At first, his eyes were on Jesus. Then his eyes moved towards the waves. And when his eyes moved away from the Lord, fear took over the place. Naguna or midako ang iyahang kahadlok. Mipuli sa iyahang pagtuo. Brothers and sisters, kung unsa gani ang pirmi natong tan-awon og tutukan, maogyud na ang atong sundon og tuhuan. Kung unsay ato ang pirming tan-awon og tuhuan, maogyud na ato ang sundon og tuhuan. Kung fokusan nato ang problema nga wala tay kwarta, puno gyud tas kabalaka. Kung mo focus tas problema, mawad-an gyud ta gana. Kung mo focus po ta sa unsay isultis mga tao, mawad-an gyud ta kalinaw. Tinuod eh. Tinuod na no? Kay kasagara ba nato atong paminawon unsay isultis mga tao? Mao na conscious ka ita unsay isultis mga tao. Mao na nga magrigor atong unahon na and we don't experience peace within us. But when we keep our eyes on Jesus, naagyoy mausab sa atong sulod. The storm may remain outside, but peace begins to grow inside. Naa ang problema, pero kung naa lang ang igong pagtuo o pagsalig sa Ginoo, dili ta mabalaka. Malinawon ra gyud ta. Pananglitan ha, kanang ingnon ka sa imong kaila ba? Hala, puti na lagi na imong buhok. Ang tao nga kuwang og pagtuo, unsa maiyahang tubag? Tao nga kuwang pagtuo mingon na siya, hala no, magparibad nako or magpatina nako. Pero tanawa ang tao nga naay igong pagtuo. Kung ingnon siya sa higala nga puti na imong buhok, unsa may tubag sa tao nga adunay igong pagtuo, maingon na siya, bitaw daghan na gyud. Di ba? Wala mabalaka. Malinawon ra. Okay. Nakita niyo ang kalainan sa tao nga naay pagtuo, niya tao nga kuwag pagtuo. Yeah. O na mga igsoon, don't wait for the storm to cease. Instead, dance in the rain and find your peace. Ayaw hulata nga muhunong ang mga balod o bagyo sa imong kinabuhi. Sayaw, bisan tunga-tunga sa ulan o kasakit. Sayaw. Kay whether we like it or not, naamagyod ang mga balod. Kay mo na kuyaw sa tao kung wa siya, di siya makasinati og mga balod sa iyang kinabuhi. Problema na. Third and last, teach your mind the truth about Jesus. When we are afraid, our mind can tell us many lies. Mga bakak, moingon ang atong unahuna, you are alone. You cannot do this or you cannot do that. There is no hope for you. God does not care about you. But Jesus tells us the truth. Take courage. It is I. Do not be afraid. In other words, ayaw tuo ana. Naara ko, ayaw kahadlok ako ni. Kung unsa isulti sa muna huna, ayaw dayog tuho eh. Hinumdumi ha, powerful kaayo ang atong una-huna. Creative kaayo ang atong una-huna. Kung unsa isulti niya, tuo dayon ta. But no, always discern with your heart and teach your mind afterwards. When your mind says, I am alone, discern and teach your mind, Jesus is with me. When your mind says, I cannot do this, discern and teach your mind, Jesus will give me strength. When your mind says, there is no hope for you, discern and teach your mind, Jesus is my hope. Yeah, when your mind says, I am sinking, discern and teach your mind, Jesus is reaching for me. Brothers and sisters, ang pagtuo dili mahitungod sa unsay atong gibati ug unsay gisulti sa atong unahuna, but faith teaches us how to think and discern. Tudluan ta sa unsaon pag huna-huna ug pagpamalandong kung naatay pagtuo. So remember these three words: recognize, direct, and remember. Recognize Jesus even in the storm or problems in your life. Direct your eyes on the Lord rather than allowing the waves to control your heart. Remember the truth about Jesus. Take courage. It is I. Do not be afraid. To end, the storm may not disappear immediately. Yes, that is true. But when we recognize Jesus, when we focus on Jesus, and when we remember the truth about Jesus, we realize nga wala ta mag-inusara sa atong mga problema. So if we face problem, let us ask ourselves, what am I looking at? The storm or God? Say to yourself, friends, yes, I see and acknowledge the storm, but I choose to look at God. Because I know that the storm is temporary, but Jesus is faithful. The waves may rise, the wind may become strong. We may even begin to sink, but Jesus remains there saying, just remain in me. You will not sink. Take courage. It is I. Do not be afraid. Amen.